Hey guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today I'm just going to show you guys a simple worship lick actually you can use using this song, this popular song. Oh glorious God, we praise your name. Straight to the point now. So let's try playing the song, right? I'm using the key of C. Alright, so oh glorious God, we praise your name, right? We praise your crown and worship you. So now what I'm applying that thing before we go to this re, right? So oh glorious God, praise. So this re I played here, right? I'm applying that lick here before we go to the re here. So let me just play it very slow now. So oh glorious God, right? So let me go again. So now you can actually use this not just only on this song, you can use it in any song that has similar progression, right? So yeah, so let me call out the notes. So do, right? Glorious God, then mi re di la, right? Then mi di re, right? Then la re mi fa, right? La re mi fa, la. So la re, sorry, la re mi fa, la re mi fa. So mi re di la, right? Then mi di re, then la re mi fa. You get it? So glorious God. Right, so let's go again. Oh, glorious God. Oh, yeah. We raise our crown and worship. Let's go again. Right? We raise our crown and worship. Again. Oh, glorious God. So it's very simple, right? So mi re di la, mi di re, right? Then la re mi fa. It's very simple, very simple. Just try it very slow. Again. 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 Right. Again. Very simple. Very simple. So glorious God. Sorry, explain and singing the bass is kind of more it's kind of difficult sometimes. So oh glorious God, your name we raise. Oh glorious God. So yes, very simple. So just try it out. It's very simple.